Hello everyone and welcome to Valinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Windows 11 Cast not working. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering issues with casting from your Windows 11 device, begin by right-clicking on your Start button and selecting Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side of the window. In the right pane, scroll down until you locate and select Optional Features. Next, click on the View Features button. In the search bar that appears, type wireless and press Enter. See if wireless display appears in the results. If it does not immediately show up, click on See Available Features. Perform another search for wireless. You should then find the wireless display feature. Place a check mark in the box next to it, and then select the Add button. The system will then begin adding this feature, which may take a little while. You can continue with your other tasks while this is processing. Simply minimize the current window. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.